Fantastic, everybody. My name is Celeste Greene. I'm a certified laughter yoga teacher, and I am pumped to laugh with you today. This is a unique concept whereby practically anybody, and that's all of us, can laugh for a good long time without any jokes, humor, or comedy. We just don't need it. In laughter yoga, we get straight to the laughter because our body does not care whether we're laughing at a joke or we're laughing because we're just being playful and having fun. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be playful, have fun, and make eye contact with each other on Zoom as we do it. So let's get started. First, I want to invite you to bring your hands together with me and kind of spread your fingers nice and wide and rub your hands together. Yes. Now, we're going to make some sounds with our voice as we clap. It goes like this. Ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Join in. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Keep going. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Doing great. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. One more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Then you go. Yay! Wonderful. So when you hear me start the ho, ho, ha, 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 or the very good, yay, join in. That's how I'm going to let you know in laughter speak that we're ending one exercise and starting a new one. So our first exercise is called shy laughter. We're going to laugh like we're a little shy. Ready? Go. And say this with me. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yay. One more time.
Yay.
Very good. Very good. Yay. Just sigh out. Ah. Take a nice deep breath in. Breathe in. And release. Ah. This next time we're going to laugh on the way down. Breathe in. Stretch up. Just laughing. Let's enjoy that again. Breathe in, stretch up. Just laughing. We're going to really come out of our shells now. So this is called clamshell laughter. How it's going to work is we are going to close our clamshell down and open it up and laugh and close it down, alternating between open and close. All right? Ready? Go. And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay! Excellent, everybody. Breathe in with me, please. Breathe in. And release. Ah. Breathe in again, laughing on the way down. Breathe in. Just laughing. Very nice. We're going to really come out of our shells now. This is called tada laughter. So what we're going to do is we're going to act like we're little Vivian here with us. We're going to do a little tada and just let everybody know that we're here. And as we open up wide, we're just going to laugh. All right? Ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! One more. And very good.
Very good.
Yay. Again. Very good. Yay. Fantastic, everybody. This next one is called I Don't Know Why I'm Laughing Laughter. So you're probably maybe wondering that right now, like, why am I laughing? So what we're gonna do is we're just in total utter disbelief. We're just gonna throw our hands up in the air and laugh and just, hey, you don't know, I don't know, we don't know, and we're gonna do it anyway, all right? Here we go. Fantastic. How are we feeling out there? You feeling good? All right, we're gonna do a little stretching. We spend so much of our lives in this posture, like typing and all the good stuff for work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up, okay? So I wanna invite you to extend your arm outwards. It doesn't matter which one, because we're gonna do both. Reach across. We're gonna come to the elbow and we're gonna go, eh, come to the shoulder, eh, other shoulder, and just laugh. Let's do it again on the other side. Here we go. Eh, eh, eh. And very good, very good, very good. Let's do that again. Very good, very good, yay! Don't y'all look forward to the time when we can travel again? Me too. So this is called Aloha Laughter. What we're gonna do is we are gonna come up and we're gonna make the alo sound, and then we're gonna laugh on the way down, greeting each other Hawaiian style. All right, here we go. Alo. Let's do that again. Alo. The screen next to you, okay? Here we go. The other side. Very nice. Take a nice deep breath in. Breathe in, moving into the heart. Breathe in. And release. Let's enjoy that again. Breathe in. And release. One more time with me, please. Breathe in. And release. Wonderful. We're going to do an exercise called hot sand laughter. So how this works is we've arrived in Hawaii and we've been sitting on the beach all day and the sand has gotten rather hot. So we're going to make our way to the water all while laughing and yelping at this hot sand. All right, let's move those legs. Ready? Go. And when you get to the water, dive in, dive in. Woo! Oh, just swimming with me. Swimming, breathing, laughing if you want to laugh. You can do the backstroke. And very good, very good. Yay! Very nice, everybody. Just breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. One more time. Breathe in and release. Wonderful. This is called shark attack laughter. I just make this stuff up. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our fins, our shark fins, on our heads, and we're just gonna swim around and laugh. All right, ready, go. Whoa. And ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. One more, ho, ho, ha, 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 and yay. So my spouse and I were joking the other day. We were joking about, you know how they have the freshman 15? Well, we think there's the COVID-19 because all we've been doing is like snacking. So just staying at the house and snacking. Is anybody else having that experience?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Instead of shark attack, I should have done snack attack laughter, because that's what it feels like, a snack attack. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do my belly is talking to me laughter. So in this exercise, your belly is big and your laughter is deep, because your belly is talking to you. Ready? Go. My belly's so big. I want some snacks. Then take all the refrigerator doors. Open the refrigerator door. And just laugh at what you see. Open the refrigerator door again. And very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. So my refrigerator is probably like looking at me like this, like every single time I come over, which is practically every 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do is just waggle our fingers and just laugh. All right, ready, go. I know what you're up to. And say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, 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 ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Excellent, excellent. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, please. Breathe in. Just laughing on the way out. Terrific, terrific. This is going to be our last laughter exercise today. So what we're going to do is some hugging laughter, because we love ourselves, we love ourselves, we love each other. Some of us maybe haven't had a hug in a while, I don't know. So what we're gonna do is just hug ourselves and laugh. Ready, go.
On the back, yeah. A little kiss. And say this with me. Very good. Very good.
Good.
Very good. Very good.
Excellent. Now I'm going to open the floor. We have about a minute left. So I wanted to just check in with y'all, see how you're feeling, and see if anybody had anything that you want to share with us.
Hi, this is my first time with you guys, but I watch you on YouTube. So I want to thank you because it's such a nice experience. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for sharing. What's your name?
My name is Nina. I'm from Russia, but I'm joining you from Washington, D.C.
Oh, wonderful. Well, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
We'll do a laughing goodbye.